What's up guys, it's time for a breaking news. The myth, the legend, the one and only On Leaks has come out with its major OnePlus 7 leak. Yes, this is the first exclusive look at the design of the OnePlus 7. It's confirming all the rumors that we have heard in the past. The pop-up camera design similar to the Vivo Next phone is indeed here. So if we take a look at the front of the display, it's a large 6.5-inch bezel-less display. Thanks to the pop-up selfie camera mechanism, OnePlus 7 has achieved the ultimate form, which is the true bezel-less design. It still has a little bit of chin, but the top looks absolutely bezel-less. While it does look bezel-less, there are disadvantages to this moving parts design. And you might be thinking to yourself that OnePlus could have gone with the whole design like the Galaxy S10 Plus, but the thing is, no one, and I mean no one, can do the whole design on an OLED display except Samsung. It's very easy to copy the notch, but it's another thing to actually implement the camera on the OLED display itself. So OnePlus obviously wanted to make a huge change compared to the OnePlus 6T. They could have stuck with that old design, but then again, you have to move to the next level. So currently they're going with a pop-up camera mechanism. And again, I personally use this with the Vivo Next. It works for the most time. I mean, I've never had any issues, but there's definitely going to be a question mark on a really long-term usage. Again, we'll see how OnePlus will present this. And if you look at the phone overall, it's looking similar to the OnePlus 6T design-wise, larger display, but the button placement is the same. So we've got the mute switch along with the power key on the right, and towards the left we have the volume rocker. Towards the bottom you can see the speaker grill along with the USB Type-C port. And yes, no headphone jack. The phone does look thick, so I think the battery size will finally be above 4,000. It could be 4,000 or 4,100 to match the likes of Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the Galaxy S10 Plus. By the way, OnePlus is absolutely A+ with its software. It was able to win my battery drain test, so I'm hoping with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 7nm chip, it will be able to go even beyond the battery timing of the OnePlus 6T. Now towards the back we have the mirror finish. It's looking very similar to the OnePlus 6T, but with the added third camera. So now it is a triple camera system with LED flash, and this most likely to be a wide angle camera system on the back, so you should be able to take wide angle photos similar to what Samsung did with its S10 Plus. So wide angle is going to be the new thing in this year. Even the iPhone 11 is expected to launch with a wide angle lens. So there you have it. The OnePlus 7 is here with its ultimate bezel-less form thanks to the pop-up camera. Again, it's going to sacrifice a lot of things: durability, water resistancy, and also the CEO confirmed that there will be no wireless charging for the OnePlus 7. So despite all of that, I still think that if they price this phone right, it can actually be very successful. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about the OnePlus 7, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.